Council, John Pallinger, Director. So on Friday, April 26th, 2019, the Northwest Water Reclamation Facility experienced an exceedance of the permit limit for total suspended solids. As a result of complications following a planned maintenance of the number 4 diffused aeration basin. It was done to repair a failed aerator head prior to the rainy season. The Northeast Water Reclamation Facility has 4 aeration basins used for biological treatment processes with a total permitted flow rate of 16 million gallons per day for all 4 of those basins. There's 2 circular basins that have 2 million gallons per day capacity each, and 2 rectangular basins that have a 6 million gallon per day capacity. Operations staff at the Northeast first attempted to take down aeration basin number 4 on April 5th, but saw an increase in turbidity, which is a measure of the cloudiness of water and is very related to the TSS parameter that they were in violation for. They stopped that shutdown to plan for the event better. After researching, the operations staff rescheduled the shutdown for April 22nd. The shutdown went as planned at Basin 4. They drained it. However, within approximately 2 days, staff began to see an increase in turbidity again. As a result, the operations staff fast-tracked getting the contractor in to replace that head. Got them in here about 5 days earlier than they had anticipated to do. With that diffuser head, Friday morning, April 26th, unfortunately, results from the samples taken that morning of Friday, April 26th for TSS showed a value of 6.5 milligrams per liter, which exceeded the permit limit for TSS of 5 milligrams per liter. TSS results were received by staff from the laboratory from that morning sampling in the evening, and as soon as they received those results, they diverted flow from the injection wells to the reject storage tank. The volume of the effluent reclaimed water that was disposed of in the deep injection wells between that morning sampling and the diversion to the reject storage tank was approximately 3.4 million gallons of non-compliant water that went down the injection wells. The solids handling decisions during this shutdown and the decrease in aeration efficiency from switching from a diffused air to a mechanical air were the likely causes of this violation. We are evaluating the solids handling decisions that were made during the shutdown with various technical resources. It's important to note that Basin 4 is the most efficient of the basins and is currently the only basin that has diffused aeration. Diffused air provides better oxygen transfer for that microbial process. Tiny bubbles, more surface area, more oxygen available for those microbes to do their work in that biological process. I'd like to add that a project to add diffused air to the other 6 million gallon per day rectangular basin has been designed, and the contractor has been selected to add that more efficient diffused air, and construction will begin soon on that second basin.